Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can select any sales invoice and can log the payment in partial or in full. So first of all you need to go to payments module, click on browse module and then click on payments module. Once you will come in payments module, please check. You need to select receivable. Once you will come in receivable, these are all the sales invoice which are created. So suppose for one invoice, what I need to do, I need to go ahead and make a payment. What I will do, I will select this particular invoice. On your right hand side, you will see an option of log payment. Click on this. Now, once the log payment window will get open, I can manually make the changes in the invoice or I can leave it full. So if I will leave it full, the mark paid option will be selected. If I am going ahead and making any partial payments, suppose I went ahead and just made a payment of 5,000, 50,000. So the mark paid option is removed. Please do not select it as because once you select the mark paid, it settles off the invoice and closes the invoice of the remaining amount as well. So mark paid is used in order to short close if any amount is not going to come after this particular payment. So you can short close it. Now, I need to go ahead and select the payment date. So it's of today, payment account, that is my bank account. Now, go below. After going below, you need to select log payment. So please check once I selected the log payment. This is the invoice where this is the amount to receive, how much amount is received, split amount 0, advance amount the 0, and balance amount is this. So this is how you can go ahead and select any invoice and then after can log a payment against this. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.